So good morning everybody and once again welcome back. Today we are on the day number 17. Yes, we are on the day number 17 and today we are starting another topic from the another perspective. Okay, so in the last 15 days what we have done majorly is service now introduction, capabilities, form, list, table, columns, SLA, and how to bring the data in service now. Now let's see, let's think, let's talk about if Amisha or Harshal or Sunita or Anvesha join a new company or Mac join a new company. Boss says, hey, please go and raise a request. Now see the word has been changed and these words matter here. Go and log a request to get a new laptop, to get a new phone. Like corporate companies give nowadays a laptop and the phone to everybody, to their employees. Okay. Now the question comes, Atul or boss, where we have to go and log. Let's say all our freshers, zero experience, day one in the company. Do we need to go to Amazon? Do we need to go to Myntra? Do we need to go to Flipkart or some other website to order something? No. The boss says go and get a laptop or log a request for the laptop from the portal. Okay, I'm introducing a two words request. Portal says that it is a place, it is an interface where I as a user, and now I'm talking about user as an end user. There are many words, end user and customer and consumer. ये अलग अलग डोमेन्स में अलग अलग यूज होते हैं. When we say end user, we're talking from the IT users perspective. जो मेरे internal, whose are my internal company users. Those are called the IT users, but we call them as the end users. ठीक है? If you see any block kind of things, they say that end user able to log a request or do this thing or that do this thing. ठीक है? So being end user, I will log into the portal which is given by my boss and I will log a request for the laptop. The only thing which is different here is that if I'm ordering something from the e-commerce website, I have to pay. But if I logging something from this portal, I don't need to pay. The payment part is done separately and that is from the internal process has been taken care, which we are not going to be discuss it here now. Okay. Now, what is a request? Request means when you need something, not broken. See, incident is something which is broken. इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा है, कार खराब हो गई, लैपटॉप खराब हो गया, that is broken. ठीक है? You are, let's say Amisha invited everybody at home and she says, okay guys, let's have a lunch together. During the food serving, by mistake, curry or sabji fell down. That is an incident. But we are always having a dinner and we say a lunch together and we say, Hamisha, can I have one more chapati? This is the request. Request is always get fulfilled. Incident always get resolved or resolution. But request never get resolved. Request always get fulfilled. Can I have a glass of water, please? If you get a water, it's your request isn't fulfilled. If that water fall down due to some reason, that is an incident. Trouser gila ho gaya, shoes kharab ho gaye, kind of things. ठीक है? So being a user, end user, I have to be given my boss has been given instructions, go and log a request to get a laptop. Now this work has been done via portal. Portal is nothing but interface, or you can say it's a website, but we don't call it as a portal. We called in our ServiceNow world, and specifically when you're talking from the ITSM, we call it as a SP. That is called service. End user can log in into the service portal and can request, can raise an incident, and can access the knowledge articles. Okay, ये तीन काम एक एंड यूजर यहाँ पर मेनली कर सकता है. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज पोर्टल. ठीक, दिस इज माय नेटिव व्यू. इफ आई लॉग इन हियर, and if I go here and mention this /sp, this is my portal view. ठीक, two views. This is my portal view and this is my native view. If you are an end user, I will never ever recommend to use this view from your perspective. I'll say if you want to do anything, you have to do this thing only. Like say Amisha raise a request, Amisha book an order for laptop from Amazon. Amisha can see this screen because website पे तो यही होता है, ऐसे होता है website. But the agent who is working on that record can do this work from there. So now we are going to be discuss that how this portal will be look like. What is this portal? The configuration of this portal, the basic understanding of this portal. ठीक है, even though ServiceNow is preferring to use this portal, ECS. The reason being, now what happened that Amisha or otherwise other people joined the company and they have to remember the multiple URLs. One portal for HR cases where you can go and log a request to leave or pension or medicals or policies kind of things. One portal is for something security incidents. One portal is something like we have this thing. So ServiceNow say now it's very cumbersome for my customers to remember each and everything. So they say let's bring everything together, and that is called the ECS, Employee Service Center. This is not the part of our discussion, just to be updated. I'm trying to include this, but not from this batch. Maybe another 1 or 2 batch I'll try to include this and remove service portal completely. Okay, in this portal it is called Employee Service Center. This portal and this portal are two different portals from the structure perspective, from the design perspective, from the technology perspective as well. ये जो portal आपको दिख रहा है, the service portal, this is a normal portal and this has been built on the next experience. काफी चीजें अलग है. In this we use a word called taxonomy, and here we don't use any word called the taxonomy. ठीक है. So we can create one taxonomy is kind of a bundled, like this is an employee taxonomy, this is IT taxonomy or kind of things. We create it here. Okay, so we're not going to discuss much on this particular part, but yes, the items you're able to see here, you can see here as well. Computer accessories, email account, technologies, developer service, software issues, kind of things you can do. You can click here and you can see like this computer category and other things will be there. I try to include, maybe if I can get some time to be read about this more, I'll let you know that what these components called. At least few minutes or few half an hour discussion we can do on this particular part. But now let's discuss about this service portal. Okay. So this is called the service portal. This is called the home page. In this page, you can, which are you seeing, is all configurable, including this link as well. Number one part. Okay. Second part, if you are working on this portal, you need to be know AngularJS, that is mainly. You need to be know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That is important here. Okay, to work on this particular portal. Now, on this portal, I can see few things that we know that it is a banner image. These are the menus. knowledge. If any user want to see the knowledge article, they can click on this and they can search here. Or they can go via categories, like in the category Microsoft, these things. In our this discussion, admin discussion, we are not going to be discuss that how these are appearing here, because these are part of the ITSM trainings. Just to know, just to in this training, we are going to be discuss mainly about that this is knowledge a user can go and see or create the knowledge articles, and that can come here. Tick catalog. What is the meaning of the catalog here? In simple layman example, catalog means a menu card. भैया मेन्यू देना तेरा जब रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाते हैं मेन्यू देना. Earlier it was only in the what I can say restaurants, but now if you notice, if you go for the shopping specifically, if you're going for the shoppings, like respectively ladies goes for the shopping to a big stores, मैडम आपको कैटलॉग दिखाते हैं, आप उसमें देखिए कौन सा सूट या साड़ी आपको पसंद है, then we'll take it out. Or don't worry, I'm a married man, so I have this experience. So don't be surprised at how you're taking these examples. Okay. Second, if you go to a shopping for kind of a jewelry sets nowadays, or maybe to go for a furniture shopping, then instead of going in the big showroom, what furniture person says that, ma'am, this is a catalog, just have a look, and then we can go for a quick walk for this thing as well. Sure. Now give me a simple example, or let me give a simple example that, let's say Harshal says, everybody, I'm inviting you at my home, even though we are on the different countries, but still he can sponsor everything for us. Okay. Harshal invited everybody at home and say, guys, let's have a lunch together and let's go to a restaurant. Okay. Me, Harshal, Max, Sunita, Anvesha, Misha, everybody went to go to the restaurant. Now restaurant person or the waiter give us the catalog. Okay. What you order in that? There are multiple sections, categories. Starter, ठीक है, soups, desserts, main course, curry, chapatis, rice, raita, and under that maybe different one. South Indian, North Indian, Chinese, Thai, some other Japanese food kind of things are there. And what we order? Bhaiya, ek veg Maggi, veg noodles, one spring roll, and one soup. These three different items we order from the three different categories. So always remember, we never ever order a category. We always order an item. Okay. Let's say Amisha want to do some online shopping. She went to the Myntra or some other website. She's ordering an outfit. Maybe she want to order for her kid a baby suit kind of things, or maybe something. So what she will do? Clothing, kids, girl, earrings or hairbands or jumpsuits kind of thing. She will go and order at that particular item, not the category. Okay. So this catalog is that what you want to be order, what you want to be request. So I can do the request by categories. अब सर्विस पोर्टल पे तो आपको ये नहीं मिलेगा डेफिनेटली, राइट? सर्विस पोर्टल पे तो आपको ये सूप्स और जंप सूट्स, इयरिंग्स नहीं मिलेंगे, बट हियर यू कैन गेट इट. सो इन द पोर्टल यू विल गेट, because it is for the IT users, so you will see the IT items, create incident, telephone extension, pixel for a phone you can want to do, cable and adapters you want to order, mobile you want to order, or let's say services you want to be order, and let's say printer you want to be order. Definitely it's need approval and all things will be there. We'll discuss now. Okay. So we can discuss, or we can click on this. Let's say I want to be order iPhone. As of now, I'm holding it now. We'll come back on this particular part. I want to see the all requests raised by me. Click here. So you can see what has been request raised by me. which are still in the draft. I did not save it. I did not order it. I just create it but save it for the further future use. Approval. This tab is only visible, only visible if you are approver for any change or any request, any knowledge article. Or it means, or I can say you have a approval rule and any approval assigned to your name. Okay, you can see like this. So admin is approver, so he can see what is pending for my approval. So like this thing, DPI task or DPTR task, some backup tasks are there. Check. System status not visible to everybody. It's only visible to admins and cart, like our respective ladies do. दिवाली पे ऑर्डर करेंगे अभी तो कार्ट में ऐड कर देते हैं. मुझे earrings, I want to this earrings, or I want to take this kitchen utensils or kind of things. Let's add in the cart. So we can do then the carting as well. Or tour, like how to navigate this page. We can define and design our tours as well. Okay. Now I come back to the home page quickly, just to be sure one more thing. Same thing available in the bottom as well. Request something will take you the catalog page. Knowledge base take you the knowledge page. Get help will take you the incident page if you want to create an incident. Okay. These are called, sorry, not this one. These boxes are called the widgets. WIDGETS, widget. Widget is pure code in service now. No drag and drop. All pure code. If you want to make a change in any of the widget, it is always recommended to clone the widget and then make a change. Clone the widget and then make a change. Now, the point is that how these things are appearing on this particular page. देखो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है index page. If I click on this catalog, this is this page. If I click on the request, this is this page. I'm telling you very apparently, in this particular portal, everything is configurable, everything. But yes, to configure, we need to have a knowledge about scripting. Even not scripting, it's like HTML, CSS, JavaScripting, AngularJS, and I guess Jelly is one of the language which is early known. Not sure they are using it or not, but yes, it is there. Okay. Now, one more thing before I go to and talk to about this thing. Let's see catalog. I will raise a request and keep it hanging for you to be think. Let's say I want to be order a phone, Pixel 4a. This is the item जो मैं order कर रहा हूँ. Remember the same thing. One soup, one veg noodles, and one spring roll. Those are the items. Same thing. This is the item. In the item, we can show the picture, we can show the key features, and these are called the variables. Variables. Now let's say Amisha went to a shop to purchase a sari. What she will say? भैया साड़ी दिखाओ. Okay. ग्रीन और मैरून कलर की मिक्स में कुछ ऐसा दिखाना या ग्रीन और लाइट ग्रीन कलर में दिखाना. ठीक है. This color is a variable. But can she ask the same question if she went to an electronic shop and want to buy a laptop? भैया ग्रीन कलर का लैपटॉप दिखाना. नहीं. What we say? How much the hard disk? Speed, RAM, motherboard. कितना है इसका मेमोरी कितना है. फोन लेने जब आप जाते हैं कितना मेमोरी भैया है और कैमरा कितना है, all the things. Those are the variables for that particular phone. So these variables get changed as per the item. Can you use the same variable when you're ordering a soup? No. भैया less spicy रखना, right? Only veg, no egg, or only vegan. See, these are the variables which is applicable on the particular catalog item. So I can put just something is this. I was doing something, so I added this part. Okay. Choose the color. You did only black or white. I said just black. Let's not take this example because this is very modified by me. So I'll take some different example. Go to hardware. Let's order something nice. Okay, let's order this iPhone 13 Pro. Okay. Something look like this. 128 to 512, 4G, 128, and all these things will be there. How these things are coming, we will see. ये सारी चीजें, image, ये सब देखेंगे. Is this replacement of a lost or broken phone? Maybe आपके पास पहले the company or the project has given already phone and that has been lost or broken. You said no. I'm taking a fresh one because I'm a new joiner. ठीक. Monthly data कितना चाहिए आपको? I need unlimited, but you have to pay 3.21 $3.21, sorry, £3.21 as the additional charges. Okay. Which color you want? I want gold color. And what storage you need? 120 no costing, 256, £80 extra, and 512, £240 extra. I said 241. And now I'm ordering. You can save as a draft. This save as a draft is a new feature has been added by ServiceNow in the Washington DC release, which was not earlier available. So now I can click on the order now. Are you requesting for yourself or for someone else? No, I am requesting for myself only. Okay, ठीक है. And delivery information. You want to put any special instruction? You want to put no. Check out. My request has been generated. See, this time it's not an incident. It's a request. I'll come here. I'll go here and I click on this. Open. This is my backend view. Now I'll put some thoughts in your mind to be proceed further. Whenever we talk about a request and we submit a request from the portal, two records get generated. One is called REQ and one is called RITM. Yeah. REQ is a full order. Let's say same example, Amisha take everybody to the lunch. ठीक है भैया बिल ले आओ. Now how the bill come? One bill order or sorry, one bill number, and under that we have multiple items. 2 noodles, 2 soup, 2 dosas, 2 dal makhani, 4 chapati, 2 bottle pani ki, 2 ice cream, 2 juice, and all things will be there. These are the items. In our world, in our ServiceNow world, we call as a RITM, request item. REQ stands for the request. And now if you see this particular request need an approval. Eric. Number one, from where this approval is coming. Number two, Atul, can we create our own approvers? Yes. Now, if you see, if I open this RITM in another window, just to show you more, and then I will back to this thing, portal. You can see all information about the particular item which you order. There is nothing. So if this person approve, approve and save. Let's see any other code generated. No. Now let's come back here and reload this page. In the service portal perspective, and when we talk about the request, we never ever work on the request or the RITM. You can see a task get generated. A team always work on the catalog task. Same example, will waiter work on your billing or the waiter work on your food item? कि उस टेबल पे ये फूड आइटम लेके जाना है, उस टेबल पे ये फूड आइटम लेके जाना है. The same thing applicable here. We work on the task. Now the question come. Now Amisha got confused. अतुल ये कहाँ से आ गया? This is what the power of service now. All these things which you see just now, approver or this task, these are configurable. And these configuration done in the two concepts are there. One is called the workflow or flow. Nowadays, workflow is getting on the downside because service now introduced the new thing called the flow, and flow is getting on the high side because it is very quick, very low code, very low code, easy to do, and quick learning. So we are mainly going to be discuss about the flow, not the workflow, because अब इसका ज़्यादा workflow में ज़्यादा use नहीं है, because ServiceNow says that sooner or later I'm going to be depreciate the workflow, so better you start moving your flows, moving your workflows to the flows. ठीक. Any doubt, any question, clarification? Go ahead, please, if you want anything. No doubt.
It's a configuration in backend, correct?
Backend तो होता ही नहीं कुछ, native view होता है, backend नहीं होता हमारे यहाँ पे कुछ. Yes, configuration the native view. ठीक है. Now what we are going to be do? You got an idea about the interface, right? ये पोर्टल क्या है, कैसे है. Now we'll see ये पोर्टल बना कैसे है. ठीक है. We'll not go on the coding part, but we'll go for the out of the box. As I say that everything is configurable. Can I change this word? I want to put learn and grow Pathshala. Can I change this? How can I help? Can I change this image? Yes. Before that, let's go here and search for the portals. And click here. Whenever we take instance, ServiceNow provides a lot of portals, different portals for a different purpose. And we are discussing about the service portal. Yeah. Let me close this. Here, service portal. As I say, everything which you're able to see in this portal is configurable. When I log in, I want to see this page, index. ये यहाँ पर है. सबसे पहले, sorry, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ये link SP. It is coming from here. Can I change? Yes. LNGP, LNG Pathshala. Save. Go here. LNGP. And try. It will open the same thing. Only the interface gets changed. Homework for you. Give a try to put this in the capital letters and here in the small letters. See what will happen now. After, sorry, what will happen after that. Have a try. Number 2. When I click on this home page, I'm getting this index. This index is coming from here. And these are called the pages. Website होता है ना जैसे website same pages वो है. You can put any page. Multiple pages available. See, these many pages given by service now. Time pass करना है. Click 404. ठीक. And save. Go here. Reload. देखो 404 आ गया ये. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ कॉन्फ़िगर किया है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? Where this code has been written कि गेम चल रही है मेरी. That is a pure coding. ठीक है, बढ़िया स्कोर चल रहा है यार, बढ़िया मजा आ रहा है खेलने में. ठीक है, दिस इज अ प्योर कोडिंग. छोड़ो उसको, यहाँ आते हैं. क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड ओपन दिस पेज. ठीक, ये देखो ये पेज है एंड यू विल फाइंड द कंप्लीट कोड हियर ओनली. It has a container and in this container the code has been written, which I have no idea. ठीक, there is a number one part. So let me change it to the index. One thing which is important in ServiceNow portal is that quickly you save, it will done. It not take time and take to refresh or cache clearance or something. No, quickly, very quickly done. ठीक है. Then login page. When you log out this, when you log out this and log in again, then you will find that thing. Landing page. Catalog home page. ये वाला. लेकिन उन्होंने यहाँ पे दिया कुछ नहीं, ब्लैंक है. इसका मतलब इट इज टेकिंग समवेयर फ्रॉम द मेन्यू ओनली. यहाँ से आ रहा है. अभी डिस्कस करते हैं इसको भी. कैटेगरी होम पेज, अगेन दिस थिंग. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस, इट टेकिंग यू एससी कैटेगरी. ये भी कहीं कोड किया हुआ है. इसका मतलब मेन्यू जो आपको दिख रहे हैं, ये सारे मेन्यू, we have a different menus, but we have bundled them in a format, and that is called SP header menu. Let me show you some different menus. ये pages नहीं है, ध्यान रखना, ये pages नहीं है. Let's say CSP header menu, and now reload this page. देखो चेंज हो गया ये. नॉलेज रिक्वेस्ट, पहले अलग था. माई लिस्ट, पहले क्या था? रिक्वेस्ट, कैटलॉग, नॉलेज. चेंज हो गया ये. क्यों? बिकॉज वी चेंज द मेन्यू. यू वांट टू सी द मेन्यू, क्लिक हियर एंड ओपन दिस रिकॉर्ड. यहाँ पे, and here we have to define the menus item with the code. देखो different menu items है, and these are the codes. ठीक, और at the last is a theme. ये जो आपको green color में दिख रहा है सारा ये, this is called Lazola theme. Very basic theme is this. If you want to change the theme, you can do it. Let's say CSM Outlook. Save. Go and reload. See, as per the theme, there is no header menu required. See, a lot of things changed. As per menu, sorry, as per theme, we don't need any this thing. Logo. Also, one more thing. Now, ServiceNow provide a new feature that is called a theme builder. Atul, my customer has some few specific colors to be choose always. Like some companies have a specific colors on their logos and they want everything to be the similar. Like there's a company called the T System. They have some pink shades kind of things. Accenture kind of this thing. Magenta, yes, something like, no, not magenta. purple kind of color in their logo. Okay, so you can build a new theme for your customer as well via the theme builder. Very powerful, very powerful, and it was introduced approximately 2 releases before from this. So if you want to open this theme, click here and go to new page. And you can see here. देखो ये पूरा कोड है यहाँ पे. See, full fledged code और बहुत बड़ा है क्योंकि it's like changing the complete things, color code and everything is getting changed. So theme is there. Generally we don't create new themes unless it's very required. We just make a changes in the widget level. ठीक. So let me take it back to the normal one, SP header, so that we can do our work. And Azola and save. That's the one part. Second, ये जो logo आपको दिख रहा है ये वाला, it's coming from here. You can update the icons, logos, but one more thing, it is important that this is a global change. If you as a developer make a change here, it is going to be affect every customer within a seconds if you're changing on the production directly. Okay. And here is the quick start. As soon as you log in, then it should go to this particular page and pick up this particular sysid 34FE. I guess this ID is for the landing page or something other page, and this container. Now if you scroll down and open this, it has 2 or 3 major things. Number one, when you search, when you go here, let me close this and reload this page. Oh, अरे भाई कर तो दिया. Now that is a problem. It's not taking our refresh screen. अभी भी नहीं. चलो ठीक है, वो एग्जांपल तो वैसे ही बाद में. यहाँ पर if you go and type here email and enter, it is showing you these two things, knowledge base and catalogs. If I search anything, this is not a global search. Number one, this is a portal search. You can't search any number here. This functionality is not there. You can search only keywords, words. So now it says email word is coming in these two places, and how this two define, it is coming from here. Search sources कि either knowledge base में जाओ और catalog में जाओ, वहीं जाकर ढूंढो बस, और कहीं नहीं ढूंढना. If you want to do something more, click on the edit. अच्छा सेव नहीं किया था क्या हमने पुराने changes? Okay. You can search. You want to search in the case, you can search in the case as well. ठीक. Number one part. Second important part which is there is this knowledge base. If you are getting anything, it is going to be searched only and only one knowledge base, that is called the IT knowledge base. Again, this is not in our discussion. This is a completely ITSM part. But what ServiceNow say, need to be understand all these things. And catalog. ये हम डिस्कस करेंगे पूरा. अभी आपको सर्विस कैटलॉग दिख रहा है. I want to put more catalogs. Like if you go to a restaurant nowadays, they are very smart. They provide 2 or 3 catalog items. Sorry, 2 or 3 catalogs. One for the food, one for the this thing, drinks, and sometimes you get one catalog item for the catalog for the kids food as well, separate. बेचने का तरीका है, that's the only thing. They want to make a life easy for parents, so they are doing this thing. ठीक. So we can add catalogs. Now after doing this part, till this part, doubt. अच्छा सेव नहीं था क्या? Oh, header menu and Any doubt, question, clarification, guys?
सर्विस कैटलॉग अगर एक में अगर ज्यादा है तो उसका मतलब हाउ कैन वी नेविगेट देम एक्चुअली, मतलब सर्विस कैटलॉग में सिर्फ सर्च होता है क्या वो
कहाँ
कंटेंट
पर?
जो आपने अभी बताया नीचे?
ये
वी कैन ऐड, हाँ वी कैन ऐड, हाँ वहाँ
yes.
कैटलॉग ऐड कर सकते हो।
Yes.
कैटलॉग मतलब आई डिडंट गेट इट एक्चुअली।
नहीं नहीं ओके, सिंपल सी बात है. एज गिव द सेम एग्जांपल. अर्लियर व्हेन यू वेंट टू द रेस्टोरेंट, ठीक है, यू गेट ओनली वन कैटलॉग. उसी में ड्रिंक्स, जूस, सूप्स, डेजर्ट्स, फूड, मेन कोर्स, स्टार्टर सब कुछ इसी में होता था, राइट?
या
नाउ इफ यू गो टू एनी 3 स्टार or 5 star hotel, like our parties happen in the office, parties happen in that, you will get a minimum 2 or 3 catalogs. One catalog is only for the drinks, one catalog only for the food, right?
या
This is what is here. So it says if I want to be order, I will order only from the one catalog, or I can order from the multiple catalogs. If you want to order for the multiple catalogs, then you have to be add multiple catalogs here.
ओके, जैसे कंपनी में वी कैन डिफाइन एज आईटी सेक्शन, एचआर
Right, right.
सेक्शन।
No, sections नहीं है. Sections if you say, then you can make a categories. I will tell you, maybe tomorrow when we discuss this now, it will come more in detail. ठीक है?
यस।
Which is yes, Mac, go ahead.
Yeah. So you said everything is related with the portal. So
Go ahead.
like, so in only in service portal, like whatever we are seeing, like pages, if you are requesting any items, so those items only related with the portal, or we can also relate with the incident or problem or change that we were doing before.
नहीं, we can mainly from the portal, a user can do only 3 things, or I can say the 4 things. Number one, he can request any item, not any actually. He can request the item as per the criteria, or some restrictions are there. ठीक है, number one. Second, a end user can see the knowledge articles. Third, a user can raise a incident. Fourth, he can track, or user can track his or her incidents records as well. And number fifth, I can raise a standard changes. No problem record, no normal changes, no emergency changes, only standard changes. ठीक है? Standard, because why standard changes? Because standard changes require a template, and we can define the templates and we can do this part. Again, this particular thing is not in admin, but I'm telling you here that as the end user, I can raise a standard change from the portal itself. Okay, but you have to do little mapping in the background. You have to build that part. So what we are going to discuss today, we are going to be discussing by this next in this week. We are going to be discuss about the request management in the same manner, in the same series. I will let you know that if I am a user, how I can raise the incident from the portal as well. Okay, problem never, because do you know, let's say you are using X company network on your mobile phone. Do you know that how many problems are going on in the background? No, right?
Yes.
Right, Mike, you don't know about this, that how many problems they are working at point of time,
Yes, we don't know.
right? That is the same thing. Portal is for the end users. आपको क्या पता Amazon में कितनी changes चल रहे हैं अभी? Maybe they are changing the server, maybe they are changing website, they are changing their upgrades plan, something is there. We don't know, because that is what we don't know actually. We should not know as the end user. So problems are never come in front in the portal, because portal is only for the end user.
The portal we consider as a not exactly the database, but whatever changes or whatever.
No. Portal is like a website.
Okay.
Simple words.
Okay.
If I
One more question, sir.
एक minute. If I come here and say Amazon, ठीक है? ये क्या है? Tell me, what is this?
It's website.
It is a portal. Same cheese. No, you're right. I'm not saying it's wrong. It is a website because इसको ऐसे ही बेचा गया हमें. You go to Amazon website and order it. But if you ask me, it is a portal. These are my categories. सारी categories है मेरी ये. These are my categories. See, all are my categories. I want to order something. I can go here. Let's say garden essential. What I want to be order? I want to be order one sitting chairs, or garden furniture, or cushions. Click. This is under cushion. This is again a category, and these are the category parameters. कैसा चाहिए? नहीं मुझे तो ऐसे चाहिए chairs के लिए. Okay. I want to order this. This is the item which you order. हमने ये ऑर्डर नहीं किया, हमने गार्डन ऑर्डर नहीं किया. We are ordering this item. ठीक है. So maybe for you it is a website. For me it is a portal. Same thing you can do here. If I come back here, let me refresh this page. And if I come here, sorry, not here, catalogs. Categories. ये क्या है? ये सारी वही है जो भी हमने देखा. ये वाली यहाँ पे जो राइट साइड में आती है वही है. And this is items. ठीक है, मैं clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Go ahead, Arshil.
Sir, I have multiple companies actually. I am service provider. Okay, and every companies want their own portal actually.
हाँ होगा ना, सबका अलग अलग पोर्टल होगा.
Okay.
Because
So
you have a different customers. Right? So different customer,
Yeah.
different instances. आप अपने घर में सारी दुनिया को नहीं रख सकते ना. This is what
No, in
our
the same instance पे मैं multiple portal नहीं create कर सकता.
नहीं अरे simple example, can you keep all 6 of us in your home for lifetime in the same room? नहीं भाई, नहीं, possible ही नहीं है. I have my own family. You are going to be see my data, my personal life, right? 1 day 2 days fine. आप गेस्ट आए, गेस्ट की तरह आइए, गेस्ट के रूम में रहिए और जाइए. But for the lifetime, you need your own house. Same thing. Customer says that customer says that I'm using service now, so I need my own instance. So we have to create their different instances on that particular part. नहीं तो बिजनेस कैसे चलेगा अगर सबको एक ही घर में रख लोगे तो? Can you share your phone with everybody in your family?
No.
नहीं. इससे तो आपने अपनी वाइफ को अलग फोन लेके दिया, आपके पास अलग है, आपके पेरेंट्स के पास अलग फोन है, राइट? Because of data privacy, data issues, और privacy concerns. अगर सारी दुनिया में एक ही फोन होगा तो काम कैसे चलेगा दुनिया कंपनीज का?
नहीं, मेरा एक कंसेप्ट था सर कि when we are creating incident, okay, we choose a company also for from where it is coming, okay. अगर मैं सर्विस प्रोवाइडर हूं तो
ठीक है.
Okay.
Are you using the domain separated system?
Okay.
Because if you're using the domain separated system, then you have to put the company. Or maybe it's not like domain separated. Maybe sometime what happened that the customer has a demand kind of things that everybody need to be. Let's say you say I'm a service provider. Now you have one portal for your all vendors. कि भाई किसी vendor को अगर टिकट भेजना है मुझे उसी portal से जाना पड़ेगा. Then you have to put the company name for the vendor. It's not like same instant. It's like to make the work you have this as a foundation data कि company select करनी पड़ेगी. Right now from UK I can travel anywhere unless I will not put my destination. I cannot see all the routes where I want to go. Right, so that is your business need.
Okay, but sir एक क्वेश्चन और आता है फिर कि मतलब हम जो इंस्टेंस यूज कर रहे हैं, okay, कंपनी में ऑल द पोर्टल होल्डर्स, मतलब जिनको सिर्फ इंस्टेंस का एक्सेस है, दे डोंट हैव एनी बैकएंड, दे ओनली मतलब वो सिर्फ केस रेज कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, नेटिव पोर्टल व्यू है, नेटिव व्यू नहीं है उनके पास।
हाँ, नेटिव व्यू नहीं है, ओके, पोर्टल व्यू है, एंड दे आर फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, मतलब अलग और डिफरेंट कंपनीज। तो हम वो पोर्टल को मतलब आई डोंट वांट टू शो एवरी डेटा टू एवरी कस्टमर, इसको अलग देखना चाहिए, इसको अलग देखना चाहिए।
See, we can do this thing, but again you have to be restrict the visibilities of that portal पे ना ये चीजें सिर्फ data is very tough. If you say, let's say I go, let's say we all go for the dinner or lunch together, ठीक है, and we all adult, no kids, then waiter will not serve us the menu item which is having only kids food, or he will serve only the drink menu. ये चीजें हम रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकते हैं, but data is very tough. That this customer should not see this particular field, this customer should not this particular field. That is very tough to manage, but it can be doable by some ACLs we can do, but not that much easy. I don't want to be show a catalog item. Can you see, let's say you're working in a company, can you see the catalog item to approve the request or the leave approve, or can you see the leave approval page in your portal? नहीं, क्यों? क्योंकि you are not in the manager designation. But your manager can see to approve or reject the leaves, right? Timesheet, simple. Timesheet example we do. My manager approve my timesheet because he can see this particular accept rejection, not me because I'm not in the designation. ठीक है जी? तो ये चीजें हो सकती हैं, restrictions हो सकती हैं. When we come to the catalog item, tomorrow or maybe tomorrow I'll prefer to start, or Thursday I'll show you that how we can restrict this part.
Okay.
ठीक है? Now come back here for a minute. We just have a few more minutes. Come back here, go here and search for the portal configuration and click on the service portal configuration. I want to make a change in this portal now. Let's close everything. Let's close this, come back here, come here. This is a global change, remember. If everybody is working on my instance and saving, one person saving, other person the same thing, the person who saved the later will override the other person changes. So be careful. I want to make changes on this. Yeah, but majorly 5 sections are there, or maybe 4 sections. Branding, design, page and widget. ये पूरा पोर्टल इन चारों पे चल रहा है. Branding which you are able to see. Click here. Brand editor. Make sure you select the right portal here. On which portal I want to be work? LNGP or service portal. Click on this. What do you want to be change? अब तो पहले तो उसका नाम चेंज करते हैं. LNG पाठशाला. And see this changes. Very quickly it gets changed. यहाँ दिखेगा नहीं क्योंकि इस पे है ना, तभी दिखेगा नहीं. Then I want to change this image. चलो, upload a new image. ये UI properties नहीं है, remember. It's not from the UI properties. No, it's a branding properties. Let's go back here and let's put this image. There. So quickly it gets changed, so quickly. Then you will do some left right paddings. This one. This thing. टॉप से नीचे लेके जाना. Little bit we can do, not much. Okay, so up to you what you want to do. ठीक, so then yeah, how can we help you? I am telling you one way to do this part. LNG Pathshala welcomes you. I'm telling you one way to make a change in this. What is the another way? I don't want to be going this branding. I want to make a change from this portal itself. How I can change? Try to find out the answer. Then you can make a change. You want to change the tag color lines? See, you can go and change it. Homepage background color. Changes over. So quick. I want to change this image. पीछे दिख रहा है. Upload. Open. ठीक. No need to be save anything. It's done. क्या हो गया इमेज नहीं? रुको. Let's go ahead and check now quickly. शायद कैशे की वजह से भी हो सकता है. So image is there now. ठीक. So we can change these things. Now another homework I am giving to you. मैक ने उस दिन लिखा था ना, और किसने लिखा था? हर्षल का सेकंड टर्न भी हो गया. सुनीता, take this note of these questions. Number 1, have to find out the way how I can change this image from the portal. There is some shortcut as well. Okay, 1. Second, try to, or you have to do the hands-on of this quick setup. अपने इंस्टेंस पे आप कर सकते हैं. Go and change this portal and all things will be there. ऊपर भी आ गया देखो LNG पाठशाला. ठीक है. There is second part you have to do. Third part, I'm not giving you anything. You can do by yourself. These are called the theme colors. Navigation bar, ये जो है यहाँ पे navigation bars हैं. I want to change the color of this. Yeah. These things you can try. These are all tested. और ऐसा नहीं इसको सेव करना, आपको just quickly change करना, it will be done. Info message means you have to do little R&D on this particular part. Don't just sit on me that I have to do or I show everything. No, you can do these things. Try to make changes and try to put the different colors so that you can easily identify. अच्छा ये color तो यहाँ पे था. How it's be appearing it here. ठीक है. This is your third question or the homework for today. And fourth, go to the service portal once again to be see how it is appearing. Brand, page background and panel background and primary, secondary. Make a changes and see. ये आपको यहीं पे changes दिख जाएंगे. You don't need to be going to the portal every time. I don't need to be refreshed as well. ठीक है. Clear everybody. Doubt, question, clarification. Okay. Good. Mac, Rituja, Sunita, Amisha.
No.
Okay. Good. So let me stop the recording and we'll take quick attendance now.